So hello everyone. As I said in my short, I'm gonna be trying popular Bedrock server. So let's do this. Think I'll join Lifeboat. Right, we're in right now. So let's join survival mode. Actually, yeah, survival mode. Play survival. Jump. I'm on survival mode. Where am I? So this is spawn. Nice, nice. Oh, flip! Is somebody already chasing me? Wait a minute. I see trees. That means I can find. Ooh, dang! Somebody chasing me. Me to run. Me to run. I'm a runner. I'm a trackster. I'm a run the whole way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dang. There are people. Why am I being chased? That was close, actually. That was very, very close. I wonder why people have beef with me when I just spawned in. Is it some sort of initiation to bully people when you just spawn in? No, nope, nope. I need to go collect. I need to go get myself a mace and a riptide trident, and then once I'm done with that, I'm good. Oh, look, a crafting table. I'm gonna need to craft something. I need some sticks. Come on, sticks. Yes. Let me give myself like 8 sticks. And then I take this axe. Why the Enderman here? Like, why are the Endermen? And where's the food? I need food. I need food right now. Yeah. You know what? I'm turning into a villain today. Turning into a flipping villain. Oh wait, forget it. There are too many players. Well, since I ain't ready for any fight because I only have a wooden axe right now, I'ma just run and try to loot somebody's base. Run away, run away, run away. Oh, flip! A skeleton. Why is bro underground? Oh, flip! Oh, hell nah. They be skeletons. I feel it right now. But he's crafting. And I can't disturb it. I feel like ooh, flip chips. Flip chips. Why is everybody here like crazy or something? Dang man. The server is like mad crazy. The people here are too chaotic. Wait a minute. Is this another portal? Need to watch my back. Nah. Alright, at least I got the truth of that guy. So, yes, chicken. Hey, zombie, I don't care about you. I need the chicken. I need the chicken. Thank you, chicken. Yes, sheep. I need food. Sheepy. Spider, chill. Chill, Spider. Spider, chill! Chill! Need you to chill, Spider. Nah, I'm only like I'm only like one shot away and then I'm cooked. Like I'm cooked. I'll be cooked if I get hit one more time. Oh, so there's just 2 nether portals. I'd say that there was a glitch here that made the nether portals spawn painful. Oh great, now I'm on 4 heart. I'm on 1 heart and I'm getting very hungry. Let's go collect myself some food. You know, this is not like the survival worlds I'm used to playing, because usually I'm on single player, unlike some people here. But it's pretty relaxing and nice playing with other people. Hey, don't say I'm lonely in the comments, because I ain't lonely. Just doing this for the love of the game. 13 deaths, dang. I killed only 1 person and I got killed 13 times. Spider, nope. Nope, 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 nope. I don't want any beef with Spider-Man over here. Oh, there are 2 Spider-Mans. Nice. Are there any mobs spawning around? I'ma take my chances. Well, I took my chances. Well, I think I can go to the nether right now. Yes! Pig, 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 come here. Come here! Oh, I thought I was gonna die of hunger, bro. You saved me, little bro. Come here, come here, come here. Good, good pig. Hey, I'm trying to eat here. Alright, that will sustain me for now. Up until I find one more mob to finish here. Cause like I'm super duper hungry right now. And I ain't even joking. I'm gonna take my chances. Oh, it's the same guy I saw earlier on. Anyone got food to spare? I think that's spare.
Please.
What the hell is that language? What the hell is this language? If anybody speaks that language, please tell me in the comments what the heck is that. That's nice. What? Oh, you're calling me poor vel. Well, I think I'm gonna die because of lack of food right now. But I'll be fine. All I gotta do is just walk and I'll be good. Oh, flip chips, snip keep. Yeah, I'm going to the nether. Oh, finally. Finally regaining health. Because I might die in the nether. Wait, what's the difficulty set in the world? It's on normal, so that means if I get too hungry, my health is only gonna go down till... Hey, is that skeleton or something? What the hell? The hell's up with this place? Say anything. I'm gonna take it. Because right now I'm really poor actually. So the person who was here was probably speed running because you can see by the amount of bridging they did here. Yay! Nope, 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 no. I am not ready to do this. I'm going back home. I'm going back home. Look at that little guy in the corner. Alright, I'm back home. I think I see somebody's base over there. Yeah, it is. Wonder whose base is it? I haven't seen any people for a while now, you know? I wanna see some people. Well, does that guy... You know what am I asking for? It's him. Nah, I feel like he's gonna kill me. Please don't hit me. Please, guy, don't hit me. Oh. He's nice. Alright, let's see what he's doing. Oh, flips. Well, he speaks Spanish. Ish. I think he chose to become one of my teammates, but I'm not sure actually. But I guess I'll see later on in the series. So let's just continue with our lives. Oh my gosh. There be people hacking right now? I literally got spawn killed. Oh, a chill. What the hell? Why? Like, why he hating on me? Oh, I'm in a different place. Oh well. I'm choosing to kill myself. Just a sacrifice. Wait. This... So does this mean the server was made on a different time because the lava level usually wasn't this high? Why am I always in the nether fortress? Like, how are people so lucky to find nether fortresses? I want to find the trial chamber to get a trident and do my PvP stuff, you know. I think I'm gonna die here. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, what the hell? Sorry. Come here, Skelly. Hey, chill, bro. Oh, flip shit. Alright, where am I? Alright. I'm at spawn. I died 3 flipping times. 2 times to a hacker and 1 time to a skeleton. Wow. Like, why are people hacking? I need this wood, and I'm on my revenge streak now. I'm going for my revenge. Can't no more. I cannot with hackers. But why hack if you can just give yourself a netherite sword? Why would you use like a stone sword? Because I saw he killed me with a stone sword. Oh, somebody died here? Hey yo, chill. Hey, chill. Hey, yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. Now I need my revenge. Oh, he's still not gone. Well, that's good. Now I'm around. I was still. That was good luck for me. That was good luck for me, man. He's still going through my stuff while I stole his. Let's see who's smarter now. Yeah, we smarter. I'm smarter than this guy. Hey, people, you can roast me in the comments if you want. But hey, if I see somebody and some stuff on the floor, you know I gotta take it. Like, it would be wrong not to take it. Oh, my teammate. I feel like I'm gonna give him some stuff, this guy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, nah. Oh hell nah. Oh heck nah. What's wrong with people? Thanks for the boost. They be giving boosts these days. Who knew? Who knew people were so kind? But I'm a professional at running away. For now, actually. Ooh, that would be bad for me. You think I don't got food? I might have stolen from. Oh, I remember I killed somebody earlier on. Maybe they want their revenge now because they might be of their teammate. Bro says he wants his stuff, but hey, it was on the floor. So technically I didn't steal it. I just found it. if I'm being honest. Because it doesn't count as stealing if if I didn't kill a player to get it. Actually, I was the one that got killed, actually. Ooh, video. Oh, flips. Bro is a scammer. You don't got no good chests here, man. I got scammed. Is that a village? Oh, it's probably looted, isn't it? But hey, I'ma take a bed. Oh wait, it's the old village. That means there aren't no beds in this village then. I think it's somebody's base. I think I saw somebody's name tag right now. Well, it's probably looted, but hey, what's going on here? Like I said, looted. So I need to go find myself some quick iron. And I need to go to some unrendered chunks. By the looks of it, I feel like this village is probably like used for blocks and stuff because it's pretty much empty at this point. Wait, there's the mountain. Nope, somebody's been there before. Well, as long as I got away from spawn, I'm good. I just need to get like 5 million blocks away before I can start doing mining because I don't think anybody has gotten 5 million blocks away. Unless it's the poor thing. What the hell is this? So that's the server's border. That's the server's flipping border. Flip, I'm gonna die. Why is swimming so scuffed, man? Thanks, Skelly. Hey, yo, Skelly. Chill. Chill. Yo. I'm gonna die, bro. Bro, like I'm gonna die. Bro, I'm gonna die. Like I'm gonna die. 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 I feel like I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. I feel like I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. Please let me out. I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. Please, I don't wanna die. So the server has a firewall. Firewall. That's pretty good stuff. I'm gonna take the chicken. I'm only taking half of the stuff. But I think I saw something on fire. It's not on fire, that means it was on. I hope that I find players somewhere here. Hope I find players. I hope I find players. I hope I find players. I hope I find players. Let me find players. Let me fly. There's no flipping spears in this version. 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 Well, I guess I might be stuck here for a while, so thanks for watching the video, and I might see you a bit next time. See ya.